Next, let's try the mid function in Excel. The Excel MID function extracts a given number of characters from the middle of a supplied text string. For example, equals mid, apple 23 returns PPL. Let's look into a more detailed example on how to use the mid formula. As always, start with equals sign. Then type MID and open a bracket, select the cell that contains the text string from which we would like to extract the middle letters. Then put a comma, enter 4, as the first letter of the word we would like to extract is the fourth in the text string, again put a comma, then type 8 as the number of characters of the word we would like to extract. Close the bracket and press enter. Now we have middle word of the text string Microsoft Cloud. To apply this formula to all the other cells, you can either select the cell containing the formula, then double-click on the left down corner where you can select the cells in which you want the formula to be filled, and press Ctrl+D buttons simultaneously. Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.